Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to guide you step by step on how to buy US stocks from Nigeria using Bamboo. But before we go into that, what is Bamboo really about? Okay, let me tell you this. Bamboo gives user access to diverse investment options including US stocks, Nigeria stocks, dollar investment savings, euro bonds, and treasury bid all from one platform. User can start investing with as little as 10,000 or $10 and can choose to invest on their own terms or let experts manage their funds for them. Now, let's discuss on how to buy US stocks from Nigeria using Bamboo. Step 1. Fund your wallet. Before you can buy anything, you need money in your account. With Bamboo, you can fund your investment account in Naira and produce to buy US stocks directly in Naira without needing to convert to dollar yourself. The app handles the conversion for you. To fund your wallet, you click on Add Money, then click on Nigeria account. Then enter the amount of Naira you want to deposit, be it 10,000 Naira. Then you click on Deposit. Then you select the payment time. Is it direct bank transfer or Nigeria debit or credit card? Clicking on direct debit transfer, then you copy the account number, move back to your bank account, make the transaction. Then after doing that, you are successfully fund your account. Step 2. Go to the Invest tab and select US stock. Navigate to the Invest section over here and click on Invest US stocks. Now, we have so many US stocks here. You will click on the one you prefer, or you move to the search bar to enter the stock you want. Step 3. Select the stock and choose your buy detail. If you want to invest on Energy Transfer, you click on it. Then you click on Buy. For US stocks, specifically Bamboo supports fractional shares, meaning you can invest a Naira amount like 5,000 Naira rather than needing to buy a full share, which can be expensive for stocks like Amazon or Tesla. Don't forget, before you can invest, you have to make some deposit. Step 4. Review and place your order. You will see the estimated cost of your purchase. Review the order details, then tap place order to confirm. Keep in mind, orders placed while the US market is closed will be executed once the market reopens. And here are the step-by-step guide on how to buy stocks from Nigeria using Bamboo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.